Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Seema's Academy. Today's video is going to be the last video finally on new profit sharing ratio because today we are going to learn the last three questions, that is question number 8, 9 and 10. ಸೊ ಈ ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಇಂದ 7 ವರೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಲಿಂಕ್. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. Question number 8, chapter number 3 this is, and we are learning the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. All right, now question number 8 says, so these are the questions from your question bank. Okay, Pradeep and Sandeep are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3, which is their old ratio. Now they admit Pramod into the partnership and offer him 1/6 share, 1/6 of the share which he acquired in the ratio of 3:1 from the old partners. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So in such a case, first what we have to do is we have to calculate what is the sacrifice ratio. Alva, so first write what is the old ratio. Old ratio is given 5:3. Similar problem ಅನ್ನು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ. So once again let me tell you how to solve this one. See, sacrifice ratio of Pradeep is equal to, now how to calculate the sacrifice ratio? Are you going to consider the old ratio or the new partner's share? New partner's share ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಾಗ ನೀವು new partner's share ಅನ್ನೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So in this question, new partner's share is given. So we will take 1/6 which is new partner's share into how much he is acquiring. 1/6 of the share which he acquired in the ratio of 3:1 which is given in the question. So 3 divided by 4. So Pradeep is sacrificing 3/4 into the new partner's share 1/6. So your answer will be 1 into 3, 3 divided by 6 4s are 24. Next, sacrifice ratio of the next partner, that is sacrifice ratio of Sandeep is equal to, again write the new partner share 1/6 into how much he is contributing, 1 divided by 4. So sacrifice ratio becomes 1 divided by 24. 6 into 4, 24. Now how to calculate the NPSR? NPSR is equal to, we know the formula, NPSR is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Haudalva? So what is NPSR of Pradeep? NPSR of Pradeep is equal to, what is his old ratio? 5 divided by 5 plus 3, 8. So 5/8 minus the sacrifice ratio 3 divided by 24. Now you will take whichever is the bigger number in the denominator and see whether it is divisible by 8. So ಯಾವ್ದಿಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು 24. So consider 24 in the denominator. 8 multiplied by how much becomes 24? 8 into 3 is 24. So numerator alli kuda we have to multiply into 3. All right, 5 into 3 is 5 ones are 5, 5 is a 10, 5 3 is a 15 minus 3 as it is. So what is your new profit sharing ratio here? 15 minus 3, that is 12 divided by 24. Now NPSR of the next partner Sandeep is equal to, what is his old ratio? 3 divided by 8 minus sacrifice ratio 1 divided by 24. Take the greater number and see whether it is divisible. Yes, it is divisible. So 8 into 3 becomes 24. So multiply the numerator also into 3. 3 into 3, 9 minus 1. So your answer is 9 minus 1, 8 divided by 24. Now how to write the NPSR? NPSR of all the three partners. So first idana bariri, 12 divided by 24 is to 8 divided by 24 is to, who is the new partner? New partner is given how much share? 1 by 6th share. So 1 divided by 6. See, I have told you that the denominator should be same. Here it is 24, here it is 24, here it is 6. So, ಈ 6 ಅನ್ನು 24 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ you have to multiply into how much? 6 4s are 24. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ numerator ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ multiply into 4. Now, therefore, your NPSR becomes 12:8:4. Further ಇದನ್ನು ಸಣ್ಣದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So 3:2:2, 2:1. Now illustration number 9. So this is the same question, only the numbers have been shuffled. Just like you have done the illustration number 8, previous illustration ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಈ illustration ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So that is a homework for you. I will tell you the answer. So your answer should be 9:3:3. 9:3:3 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 3:1:1. So this should be your answer. Work out by yourself and check whether you get the same answer. Alright, the same method what we have followed in the previous problem. Now moving on to the last illustration, illustration number 10. Saraswati and Lakshmi are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 4:1. So old ratio ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ? Old ratio is 4:1. So ಈ ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Now they had made Parvati as a new partner for 1/4 share. So new partner's share is given ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 1/4 share in the future profits, which she acquired wholly from. Saraswati means ಈ ನ್ಯೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾರು? ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ 1/4 ಶೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳಿತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್. ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. Okay, now you have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of all the partners. So here the need is to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of only one partner. Which partner? Tell me. Which partner's share is going to change? Only Saraswati's new profit sharing ratio will change because only she has wholly contributed to the new partner. Correct, alva? So now we shall calculate Saraswati's new profit sharing ratio, since only her ratio is going to change. Now in the question it is given old ratio 4:1. What is the order? Saraswati and Lakshmi. So this is Saraswati's share, right? 4 divided by 5. So each share in the how much she has contributed to the new partner ashtanna minus madidre you will get the Saraswati's share. Clear? So 4 by 5 minus what is the new partner's share? So new partner Parvati's share is 1 divided by 4. Now you minus it. From the share of Saraswati, you minus whatever the Saraswati has given to the new partner. Now if you take the bigger number, 4 is not divisible. You cannot divide it, alva? So what you will do? You will multiply 5 into 4 madi and you take 20. 5 4s are 20. Now into 4, here into 4. 4 4s are 16 minus 4 if you have to make it 20, multiply it into 5. So numerator also multiplied into 5. 16 minus 5, 11 divided by 20. This is the new profit sharing ratio. For those who did not understand this part, why we have done 5 into 4, fractions ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗದವರು ಈ ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಐ ವುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್. Okay, so this is the new profit sharing ratio of Saraswati. Now we shall write all the NPSR of 3 partners together: Saraswati, Lakshmi and Parvati. So Saraswati's share is 11 by 20 is to Lakshmi's share change agudilla yakant helidre she has not sacrificed anything, so that will remain as it is. 1 divided by 5 is to Parvati's share is given in the question. How much she is been given? 1/4 share anna new partner ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಇದಾಗಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೆ. Now again denominators should be same. So if you have to make it same, ಈ 5 ಅನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು 20 ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, you should multiply into 4, which means numerator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ multiply by 4. 4 you have to multiply into 5 so that it becomes 20. So numerator also multiplied into 5. Now we know profit sharing ratio is 11 is to 1 into 4, 4 is to 1 into 5, 5. We cannot reduce it further, so we are keeping it as it is. Now this is your NPSR. Okay, so all the illustrations regarding NPSR is done. Only one illustration is a homework for your work out by yourself. That was it for today's class. Thank you for watching the video, and if you find the video useful, please like it and share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel CMAS Academy. See you in the next video. Thank you.